Here I've got Amazon Kindle 10, and let me show you how to import books from your PC to the following Kindle. So at first, just turn your device around and prepare a USB cable, plug it in, and within a couple of seconds, automatically you'll be provided with all Kindle storage. So here it is. And now open the Documents file where all books are stored. Then open My Books. Actually, it's my folder on the PC, so whichever folder you have. Here I've got the book that I would like to put in here. Copy it, Documents. And that's it. Here it is. So now simply close both files. Take off the cable. Go to your all files. Here they are. And now here is Corny James book, which we've just uploaded to the Kindle. So that will be basically all. This is how you can easily and quickly import a book from your PC. Now you can have here plenty of books from your PC. Simply copy them to the Documents folder and then read them on your Kindle. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.